What it do, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys all had a good day, good weekend. We had a good 4th of July. We had my mud pit out here. It's kind of hard to see because there's so much glare, but there is a slip and slide back there. We had a little bit of a rope swing action going on in here. We had a good time yesterday. So that's going to be a little bit in today's video. We did have some really bad news. If you guys remember my last video, I made that phone call when I first got back into California, and the one that was like a total slap in the face. What ended up happening was we had a skid steer out on rent, and one of the customers tipped it over. And so that's going to be in today's video. We took the wheel loader out there, got it upright, pulled it up the hill, so you guys can look forward to our misery. But one thing that we did pick up, we got a laser engraver. Just going to show you guys some of the stuff that it made. It's super cool. All right, so John took the laser home this weekend. He started playing with it. He got pretty good.
Pretty better at it.
So this one is his cutting board.
For meat only. No veggies.
It like
takes a layer out.
Dang, that's crazy.
I'm gonna have to seal it with something. But
beeswax.
yes, I have some.
And you made the best diesel engine coaster, Dogecoin.
Even though this one kind of tapers over the edge, I still think it looks all right.
Yeah.
Because I measured it out, and the laser is set up in millimeters, so I have to convert it from inches, and it works out all right. Okay. Or convert it from inches to millimeters. So, but this one's pretty.
What's this?
That's for World of Warcraft.
Nerds.
For Jonathan. You don't have to record that.
Yeah, do it.
I was just saying this one looks pretty square. I took time because I was like, I'm going to use this myself. So I measured it out, made sure it was as square as I could get. But it has a nice feature where it'll trace the frame. So that way you can see if you're centered on the object or not. So okay. That really helps.
Alright guys, well I wish I was making this stuff up. You know, I thought my trip to Texas was like, alright, got all my bad luck behind me, and now it's going to be a good week. So, bad stuff happens. It's not worth losing your cool over. The video quality and sound quality might be a little bit reduced. My memory card's full. Too much stuff from Texas. So, we're going to be using the good old phone. So, I'm just barely rolling out of my place.
Salvage this guy. They're pretty good. That's something. Then put another chain on this end.
We don't want it to keep going that way.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yeah. Now it's digging a new road for you. It is a little, but just go. you go up. It's like just do that every once in a while to clear the dirt out.
It sound right, boy.
You're good. Watch out.
Start swinging. Start swinging.
You're good. Hey, turn. Kick it this way. No, yep. The other way, if you can.
It sound right, boy.
All right.
Hey, you're good right there. Now disconnect and pull it over.
Yeah.
It sound right, boy.
Want me to pull slack out? She's upright.
Had to end with a little excitement. That's not bad. 25 minutes? It's not like an hour.
Hey, you ready to do some tractor work?
Yeah.
All right, get on up here. Hey, what are we building?
A flip and slide.
Yeah. All right, do a good job.
Okay.
Oh man, you're doing a good job of filming. Hey, you got dirt all over your face.
What?
Yep.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh no. Are you gonna show us one more time?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. Woo! Hey, how'd your face get all dirty? Oh. Oh. Just like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh. And then I picked up the 299 this morning off rent, so I'm gonna unload it, bring it over here. I'm gonna do the final shaping of it. It's gonna be a little bit more rounded. Right now I just did like a big cut with the wheel loader, just a long skinny one. So I'm gonna taper the edges here a little bit, build up the bank, so that way we can hopefully get a little bit more water in here. This poor bucket's like super on its last legs. It's about time to retire it. You guys can see the mounting bolts right here are completely gone. So we just welded the teeth on. Good job, Johnny. Alright, so digging this thing just got a lot more challenging because last night we went to go watch some fireworks. And when we left, my boy, he turned the hose on and, well, filled it about halfway up. So now I gotta figure out how to actually make the slope on here with the water. I think I'm probably gonna go up and grab the big excavator because this is gonna be really hard now. So, we'll see how this turns out. Alright, so you guys can see we got the big excavator here. We got the mud pit right there, wheel loader, $2.99. All of these things kind of come in handy making it. The slip and slide's a blast. The kids just love it. We had a little bit of rope swing action going on. We're gonna go ahead and jump on into it. Let's roll.
Yeah, Jen!
Got that?
Bye-bye. Did you do it again?
One way to clean a bike. Yeah, I'd do it again.
Alright guys, I'm going to put the screws in this video. As you guys can see, I got the 262 behind me. I went and picked it up this morning. It still runs fantastic. Anytime you guys tip one of these things over, you need to let it sit upright. And do not turn the engine over because you guys might like hydrolock a piston or do something like that. So let it sit, let all the oil go back down to where it's supposed to. Check all the fluid levels, check the air filters, check everything you possibly can on this before you try and start it up. We did that. It did smoke a little bit when we first started it up, but that's just because there was probably oil in the exhaust filter. So other than that, it runs great. The operator was safe. The machine itself is still fine. You know, there's nothing really wrong with it. It just got a little bit dirty, so we're going to clean it up. So I want to give a big thanks to all the people that participated in this video. This was a fun one to make, guys. Big thanks to Fern. You guys know Fern's semi-famous barbecue. He smoked some sausages that were just out of this world. So big thanks to him. But I'm gonna head home. Just hopped on the trusty 70. Hope you guys like this video. If you could do me a big solid like, subscribe, share this video with your amigos, hit that notification button so you can continue to see all the other stuff that we do. And I will see you guys next time.